Hey guys, my name is Sirisha and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video for you guys and it's my second vanity cask unboxing. This one is for the month of April. If you guys haven't seen my March unboxing video, the Feb unboxing video, then I will leave it down in the description box below and you can check it out. I think that was the Valentine's edition and I have the April edition right now and I'm so excited to try it out because the February edition was actually really good. All the products that I got in the box was so nice. I'm actually using the body butter that I got from there and the nail polish, and this edition is called the Shades of April. All the products that you get on Vanity Cask are actually like premium luxury products, so you are getting way more than what you're actually paying for the package. And if you guys want to get more details on all these things and how it works and how you can get yourself a subscription box, then I will link the website down in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. If you guys are ordering something from Vanity Cask, then I also will have a promo code in the description box below so that you guys can get something a little extra. Also, the last thing that I would like to add before we get started with this unboxing is that Vanity Cask did send me this box, but they are not paying me anything to say whatever I'm going to say in this video. All the opinions are going to be on my own. I'm not being paid to do the review. They have just sent me the box, which I'm so very grateful for. And yes, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Okay guys, so let's just go ahead and start unboxing this. You know how this works. I take my trusty pair of scissors and I go right into it. Okay, so we've got another box that says Vanity Cask and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Oh my god, every time I have the same struggle trying to get this out. That's my struggle every single time. Okay, so what I'm really looking forward to is seeing that if there are going to be products that are completely different from the Feb edition or there are going to be some repeats. I really hope there aren't going to be repeats of products because yeah, I mean, if I am going to get a subscription box, then I would like different products every single time. So as soon as I open the box, this is what I see. This came in the previous one too. So this is basically just a booklet that talks about all the products that is inside. So like I said, it's called the Shades of April. That's what the box is. And I'm really loving the summery vibes that I'm getting. So I hope there are some really good summer related products. Okay, so this is the first product and I am loving it because it's by Nature's Co and I absolutely love Nature's Co. Last time I actually got the Nature's Co watermelon body butter, which I am using it. It smells so good, guys. Thank God it's not a similar product. I'm so glad. So this is the Nature's Co Cool Cucumber Face Wash. I'm so glad that I can try this out. And Cool Cucumber, as you guys know, it's like the perfect thing that you need for summer. It smells good. Oh my god, it actually smells exactly like a cucumber. Nature's Co is an amazing brand. They have products that are, as the name suggests, very natural and I really like it. They do not cause any harm to the body, so that's always an A+. So moving on, the second product is this one and it's by Sova. The packaging reminds me of Kama Ayurveda or Forest Essentials kind of packaging, if you guys know what I mean. Again, Sova is a luxury brand just like Kama Ayurveda and Forest Essentials, and I got like a mini version of their body wash. I might just keep it for travels because I feel like it's the perfect travel size. Let's just go ahead and smell it. It has a very nice subtle soothing smell. The smell is not very strong, which I like. I can't necessarily smell the chamomile, but it has a very good smell and I'm very excited to try it. Next we have this one and I feel like it's by McAfee. Again, McAfee is something that I got last time too, but by the looks of it I think it's a different McAfee product. So this is the McAfee Uplift Trans Caffeine Face Cream with argan oil and vitamin E. It's a face energizer. So McAfee is a brand which has caffeine in the products, like the name suggests. And I told you guys in my previous video itself that even before me getting anything on my Vanity Cask, I have used McAfee before and I actually really liked it. So next we have this these two things. So this is something that I received last time. It's by Mond's Sub. It's a deep brightening and whitening beauty facial mask. It's just a sheet mask. I still have the previous one. I have used one of them and I still have another one left. Then we've got a different product from Mond's Sub. It's a pearl revitalizing 3D hanging ears, face and neck mask. It's a lightening, brightening, revitalizing, lifting and firming vitamin C face mask. Okay, so there are 2 steps if I'm not wrong. So this is step 1, which is applying the 3D mask from face to neck, complete skin care. So I feel like I am going to look horrifying, but I'm going to get great results. Okay, so now I have only one last product left and this is what I got. So this one I got last time too. It's by My Glam and this time I got 2 completely different colors. So here I got a really nice pink, which I think is just such a lovely bright pink, and then I've got a red color. And now these 2 colors are something that I already may have in my nail polish collection, but I just really love the packaging. So guys, those are all the things that I got in my April edition. To be honest, I did enjoy my Feb edition a little more than my April one, but there are a few products that I'm very excited to try out. So the first one is definitely going to be the Nature's Cool Cucumber Face Wash. The second product that I'm very excited to try it out is the Mond's Sub face to neck mask sheet, because I just feel it looks so unique. Third thing that I'm very excited to try it out is this chamomile and Purgi Narangi body wash. That was the end of the unboxing from Vanity Cask. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, like I said earlier, if you guys are trying to get anything from Vanity Cask, then there's a promo code down in the description box below that you can add so that you can get a little something extra. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments down below, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. I make videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.